have some hot new gadgets to help you, for example, grill the perfect steak, know when you're...
Hold on. You can use your cell phone to cook the perfect steak?
Ah, yes. There's something that's going to help you know when to water your flowers.
Let's get in Cassie here. Hi, Cassie.
Good morning to you.
How's it going? Okay.
Seriously, a cell phone to have a better hamburger or steak?
Yes, believe it or not, this is called the iGrill, okay? Now, funny. This is an app-enabled Bluetooth wireless grill thermometer. And what you do is you set up the iGrill and you put the probe into your meat when you're cooking it. You connect it up with your Bluetooth on your phone, download the app, and it will actually tell you the temperature of your meat while you're grilling it. So if you're out chit-chatting with your friends, right now it tells me that it's 50 degrees inside temperature. You don't want to eat that.
Not quite ready.
No, but it'll work up to 200 feet away, and it'll alert you when it hits the temperature that you set it at.
Oh, Kat, why don't I just look at the temperature?
Now, why is that necessary?
Well, you know what? I mean, these are fun spring gadgets. I mean, maybe you're having a party, maybe you're at a tailgate, you're throwing the ball around.
Oh.
And it alerts you, hey, your food's ready.
So I stick my probe in my meat.
You stick the
Then I, through Bluetooth technology, I'll put this in my pants, my cell phone. No, seriously, it'll vibrate. Oh, my meat's ready. And I run over.
You've got it exactly right.
What a waste of time.
I'm not going to comment on that at all.
Okay.
I just don't understand why you just don't wait for it to turn brown.
Okay, so...
Well, no, you're supposed to...
You want to make sure the internal temperature is perfect.
Or you get sick.
Yeah. You can set it for different... It actually has a globe function here, too. So you can see...
A globe function?
Yeah, you can see it's GPS tracking. You can see who's cooking in your area.
Oh, no, that just goes too far. You knock, knock, knock. Ah, I saw you were cooking on my phone.
All right, the next one is the Kabuchi.
Okay.
Kabuchi plant Wi-Fi sensor.
We'll talk about this one.
Now this is cool. Now you put it in your plant. There's an outdoor version and indoor version.
We need a new
There's
plant.
a little light.
There's a little light. It works and it works like this. You can set it up and you can tell it what plant you have. This is my aloe plant.
Here, wait, is this the app?
Yeah, this is the app that goes with it.
Okay.
And then this is my plant. I named him Mikey.
Okay.
You like that?
Because it's prickly?
Because it's prickly. And then it'll tell you
sappy.
When you push it, it needs water, it needs to be misted, it measures the soil moisture, how much light it's getting.
Wow, that's cool.
And it tells you need to water this, it needs more light. And it has a whole library of plants. It has hundreds of plants, and you tell it which plant this is in. So it will tell you this one needs more water, it doesn't. Aloe plants don't need a lot.
That's really cool.
So this is really cool. Yeah, this works with an app.
That's really cool. I have a hard time keeping plants alive, so I think that's
So if I needed misting, would you come over and do it?
Depends. I'm not really sure about that. Okay, so this is the emergency cell phone. Now this is great to have anywhere you go, regardless of whether it's spring, winter, fall. This works on a AA battery. It has 10 hours of battery life.
What?
Yes, and it works for 15 years. So if you left this in your car for 15 years and you had an emergency, you could use it to call 911. Maybe your phone was out. It also has a 24-hour torch light on it. Wow. So in case you're stuck in the dark, you can light it up for 24 hours.
Great.
Yeah, this is something that's very important to have if you're anywhere.
I bet you this becomes standard. Give it a couple a year for hikers.
I love this.
How much is that, Sucker?
I think that's about $48.
But it only calls 911 or
well,
like
you
emergency.
can put your SIM card in from your phone and call other numbers. So maybe your phone dies. You can do that also.
It's perfect for me.
Now the next one is the Nikon AW110 16 megapixel camera. This is waterproof up to 60 feet. It has it is 6.6 feet shockproof, so if you drop it, you're good to go. But the coolest thing is it's got built-in Wi-Fi. So that means that when you take a picture, you can send it to your phone, you can send it to your tablet, your computer, to Facebook. You don't have to take out that card and download all those pictures.
So awesome.
So that is the camera. Next one is the GoPro HD. This is a camera that it's great for, this is an action cam. You can mount it on your bike helmet, you can mount it on a boogie board, on a surfboard. It's waterproof up to 200 feet.
That's awesome.
It has a Wi-Fi remote control, so you can work it from anywhere. And yeah, this is a little pricey, but if you love surfing and running and all that stuff.
I'll tell you, GoPro is tremendous quality.
It's the best.
Oh, and if you're into that kind of stuff, it'd be a cool gift. All right, thank you very much. These were all really cool, right?
Cassie, you're the best.
No, you're the best.
Don't forget to miss me later.
Okay, we've talked about this before. Kelly Clarkson, her hit Stronger was American Idol's top-selling single.
Yeah.
Until this week, guess who knocked her from the top spot?